gotieri ekende ekyoge gotieria ekyoge kende
omugusiana cia soberete ngocha na kwarigania sama ngana tatu yengenje kiera nyegenete nga ekyoge nigo kigotieri ekyoge kendo nabo gekioma kigotieri ekioma kende gose buna bwo omuntu agotieri omuntu ndi kero omuntu nabwate amangana getabera tatu anyoranire naro gosa akorire gosa amonyorire aranyara kobaga gosomia omuntu ndi rero ntagataba mbia mono kema asi barimo kwirira bagaria ino dio kolika comment barimo ko like barimo go share nanye bari mwakire mwagendera sekengere kikale mwabeke notification ekere gepindi kende gwe chikonyara kobaga okemanya kerenga kyane kerene ngeringa ekyoge nigo kigotiri ekyoge kende nabo go omuntu agotiri omuntu ndi gaiga se mu roberi biri tikulia rero yongo chiokarentera ke muntu nyakundi no ale gaiga nigaro monchereria ogwekarakari Nairobi yeye okorwani Nairobi yene bisire rinde elio omwana gokura kulia ekebuyu anyore genta akuri lakini nabo igo sabali yae bune chagete mangana na manga itera anyarorire yatugochiko gusorikom ke muntu karibu ngakimbiyo
Mbiande sorobi
ngajyo gatewa
tini na mangana lakini mbiyamona soko ngarigani gotaga
karibu sana bantu bari bakumete kumuswajiri ukaminete tukiyo kabungira uyo ningoyo ke muntu nyakundi ningoyo
ke muntu nyakundi nero YouTube na kwa mwatoreire ke muntu nyakundi she's a mother of 3 ke gusineka kongwa keyo
asige ugo sinera go buyabole gaiga aboko mix ubuyabole gaiga ndubate ubusibole aboko mix kidogo edinde litukuiwe
definitely tutachanganya bono gwetani nayo ncheno omonya biashara aiga Nairobi nkoni ebitabu I am a CEO ase a bookshop ekoroku book lounge KE tokoni ebitabu apart from that is like the main hustle lakini rende Nairobi tetageti monto ateberere egentekemo nkoni inde cyanga cyabana nkoni inde household stuff ebinte like nkoni inde keregento bono igo monto
na no na tere pambiri go sibie gari
exactly
naro chogwadi bazinga gatenge ngatenga tumari no monto garia ajwa kesi mukababisi mangana na mange mubwate ende namanya kwebanga nataka gatenga konde tanirie iyo ilingo byaka manje nakoranga chigari na kotre go chiari
nkoni nyorore mambia
thank you so much
yeah
bone bintu okora nigo bire bintu ebi ngayu kinerete ngayu borire
Nchengi boreire eskimu ya matutu.
No mwana we eskimu.
Ncheno mwana we eskimu. Aliese tuari gwesi bya mabere. It's been long. I don't know gosengu esi bibara mabere. Chinga kityarero.
Mede to mede baje eskimu n'abantu batene. Abantu bangu kuruma ate baje eskimu bona abantu
muchi. Eba ari gotoroka bakimbisi by the way. Abantu we eskimu
otokoro. Abo mwagaro kurunga abantu bakende eskimu n'abantu amatachiri.
Taribo.
Achukuru bolemo. Anda bangu gota bamere migondo eri batigire
abakwerigeria abantu beskimu nkolema bale sana farming actually ndio imeinua abantu beskimu so no nkinerete eskimu like partly no nkinerete eskimu my early childhood yani ogokina koliko mwana kwa iboriru wachire school mpaka around class 4
manoko ngereza kwa ngi gonga yosomete primary school nsomerete mekenene primary school ngasomera abo mpaka kirasinye nkamenya kwenda Eronge boarding yes from Eronge boarding karangirwa Sironga abatinchi Sironga kiagera abayibori bane barenge Nairobi nande I had a condition asthma so tinare kobera so far away from them kaenda Karura SDA timetu sinomete Karura Chat School I know it
Ngobono no nkorete koruru Karura Chat School ngakore school
kwa watu muchando bwasi mano kwa chikate bokendo gotero Karura limetale very cold ayiko manda kana uchibokamba
taribo
okambe so was interviewing somebody yesterday orenge go kone gore asma era arangire tiwa lenge nyambali kabe kendo mona karuo kandi bokamba ma asa libere yake though he had a very interest but it's another one tagatagara igoro yanga kimuntu akoye manage wetera exercises in fact not kwa nega bate chobesi amweno guys doing a lot tariko ask mo manage but he was also talking about how do you manage through exercises it's called Arnold Oyuru is behind more fit. So bona yuko kwa watu mchando wasi mekabete lioka achanga na sawa ibori bali.
Yeah, ngachanga na sawa ibori so that in case of anything they can check on me go sena banko endanka. But rende surprisingly my high school journey as me you I think nanyorete atakiri moiganga ngakore school because karura umete you will be allowed okobeka chile guoma no beka chisweta isato you know nabokware kwa macha muliro like care was there maambi nabokware kwenda kwa macha muliro wesibi morogoba.
Very understanding because like that gentleman ya ninge school wano to gengo ndakinge kya macha muliro
ngo alafu wone evumbi you will not be exposed to dust noroche na work program nchire chiri okonyora chire school abana mwabuse nchebono na renge gokore bintu birambe kiase egento kira trigger the asthma. So anyway ngakore school ngasoe college anda abwe college gatiga oroche bono omusibati gwakorire school. That is why you get into adulting. Egento gekoro kwa adulting eseke gusina kitokeroka.
Kuboro mondo monene.
Kwa chakira kwa monto monene. You've started seeing the world in other ways kwa nyorire omusacha. Noroche ogokwaniriga. Was the very first man nanyorete like immediately like after high school. Like it was my first love. Tikatata wego. Ubwanchani boli obotangani.
Obotingu.
Boli obotingu. Bono in short rende no ene college tinyo college by the way.
Oh. Ubwanchani wajite bukajane ke.
Kabasa. Etagotebanga no kobasa. Kolinga bono mwachire nga bono goteme binte bibya abantu abanene amangana asarekire. Bono gwatebanga there are two options. Okoira na sei no na mangana gasarekete ose omumuraga ntebi inchu tutachaka obogima so tugachaka obogima. He was a medic. Life was good. No muntu omuyoringe like ogotebanga in this life no nyene kerokorora relationships gosichi marriage chabantu chiga sarigete bantu mbali gwesoi omopango no muntu omubi. At that moment, you're falling in love with someone. You know they are good people. You know they behave like good people. You interact. Kuna bantaba ya level-minded people. Nona. Rende enyu omega chaka igorende hivo area. That was around 2007.
Ukwalengo mwako kalenga se.
I think second year there.
Second year.
Around second year there. Tugachaka rendo bugima igo life was good.
Ibalimbe wetenga mwana jete college utakali college.
Wona mbra. Amanyire nga soire biasara binde. So my dad was like ira na yokore school na bakogenda eso mwanchio. I know monto monene like you're already above 18 but amasomo go ikokoreki urakora yengo akoreta aria form fono bwate ID but ayande are more important than no na aria form 4 but bono ile there is always again to kerito korokanga a catch 22 situation the stigma you know society so kwatwaliro bolito kwanyoriro omwana na kyokoirana nande say no omusacha oyo otebire nkoba ngochiare ko ba responsible so there is a nini
ngwara nge konguse kyara muga tumusale taragukana mete taragukana ira lyo batangitiangira tukubeterere
ona no tebire nga inchwae in fact ninche no ekosie konywa chakire accounting. I was in Strathmore ekosie konywa chakire accounting kwanza naboko nyitiga ncha ma medic bono okoenda totally different course nursing so that a future go chumotwali we can even start again tubune kanyagitaliga. You see the dream was there, the vision was there. You get. So you know there is again tonkere ketoko lukanga naivety, you know, at that age. I think I was around 22 23 there. And keroko mix obwanchani na decision making, there is some naivety there and it takes charge. So I trusted him more than I would have trusted my parents. So katebia baibori ya chabano no monto marene tigangende nchakobo obogima. My mom was like all the best. Tukagenda rende tuwachaka obogima. No are gokora nyagitari gitenene busongo, like gusi. Omwana omutangani agacha ake omwana okabere nere agacha closely onye kwarorira abamurabane abo bakorire skuru. Most people think they are twins, by the way, lakini they are not twins. Babwana I think kamwa kabana kamohiga bono omwana okabere nandaga agacha igo bono no nasingie nari gucha koiru igo terachaka. Bono instead bono emisuko egachaka ese marriage you violence egachaka. In fact, the physical violence, there was a lot of physical violence, I can say, and a lot of verbal violence. Nande tigangote ngasorobi abantu bago kaganga violence yerembe, violence iriyo montago kwa kachi chinkundi choka. But verbal violence is actually maybe way worse. Yani ngabona bano monta buno ikaranstega monta chake go tebinga ai sorobi ai ne ngombe ai ne mbori ai no monto bosa ai no, you know, yani someone is ripping off all your self-esteem, your whole. Yani ngabona ago kuita korume to you with time you remain an empty shell. Like to you ogo ikenga kikwanya oranga, you don't even know who you are. Yani to nyoletinga what were your dreams in the beginning. At that moment to my tinga aningo nkiota getikoba because bono some negativity has been pumped into your system. Yani bono okoboka okweroranga eno monto
ibintu birwa kwa
no monto bosa noroche. Yani noena karoko soka go chiskali no monto kerakari go kwani yani bono okora stokake. Yani there's that nini I can say yani bunanche my self-esteem by the time I was getting done with that marriage. Self-esteem yani arengensa ali one na bwene tenchakeko nyeligi nganga yere, and it took a lot of effort, a lot of forgiving myself, a lot of forgiving the person that was involved, you know, a lot of forgiving so many people, you know, especially okonyora in a society kero okonyora in that situation where there is violence, both verbal na physical violence. Okonyora there is a section y'abantu bagogotebinga maybe nayo romobe noroche nayo okogera muntu tago chachakeko unaona muntu tago chachake ukorama busa. Yet you know in as you grow as an adult, you come and realizing abantu mbale baturebo nabago so asa abantu bakirete iga lakini nabago chake segitu from they can find war from anywhere. So it went on like a back and forth nabo bono abaiboli bane karainyoranga na batebetinga ki
gwana ga okulio bororo
to kariomorero
kanetiwe okateba
kanetiwe okanga. But bono abaiboli ngocha bale bamanya umete it is a small world. Bono nabogo chakwanyoranga omuntu naruga komaete okamaete noe mama mino kamaete noe tato mino ochikora muboli ngarakini omwana olio mbiyale boli mbiyamenyete ana
yamangana bajigwana bajikaba ikerete
na bamangana nko bekera alenge because engakinere mama na tata they gave me a call bakamboli iganga bono taringa ngakitera era kwara amenyire wana bana baikire babire lakini we've not written you off. I know mwana ito bado toko irana yani nga irana bado enyumba nero bedroom yao bado nero
Onye mwana.
No, the daughter.
You're the only daughter?
Yeah, okay. I have 3 other brothers. There's a time even tata gatema gutuma abantu to come and talk to me like I don't have to suffer. No. Yani ego ikenga kimbaka tato mino gotebinga. Ako koboli you as the daughter. Ako koboli nga emiaka yonsi mukine tomoroche na amenyire na mama mino. Nanya kumuire kiara. Manya ko inkomorama. No. So ae inkibono takerete kogenda ase ogokorerwe bintu roche bitariko koreka nyumba. You see. So anyway, in short, yeah, I stayed for some time. Violence happened. In fact, the last bit of violence happened. Na so geteno okogoro kwa na komonko bekereire likara. So I have one burnt thigh. But like that was it. But I tried several times to leave. And to be honest, leaving a toxic relationship is not easy. It is not easy.
Why?
Yani I don't know. Psychologists should tell us the relationship between someone who is being abused. Yani nga omonto goitirera robne konunga pa. Mambi kwabo kanga na ene liso ndikalikorera bia ogwetu baiga go ikoenda kucheduka for example koriye kebiriti omonto ko bolinga ke omonto nkihya koriete eliso kwa matebinga ya na chite ko igorege sieli bobe kangaka manya tulikogenda still there
ndokorro murobiriga iga abunonte torara kwa ne kiagara inere mechandere mechi mingi na ine jire ngoro bukikora kwa na mangana abantu bakagisiima gatanga yongitira kindiri kurwa nkikyarenge ogoro itwe kindiri turikukwana no kuruturi kurwo
actually number 1
nkikyarenge kwasibira nyororo yoko tasoka
manya tkangotabinga
kanyi turara egara basubati na bange baligo lakini abakonya gwe komereri nambe mona guchota tinde gukwana machibiti manyiti why ngyotarenge gokurero goitwe
Bono later, actually these things, ogocha kwa the realization, yani engabuna bono watirire from a lower ground, watirire Mount Kenya, now you can see the other side. Yani ngabono I can look back and see the wise, and maybe after reading books. Bono okonyora, number 1, stigma nero by the way. Remember nga stigma, enkonya kwa erere, lakini nero. Ngabono kwa sokire, ke muntu ngabona nandi kwiranire ayabona ne single mother ngabona tubwati musacha umusacha wona ero gutigire na ero go sereti tari kwa imogete society takes it that kungu onyo orure boy umusacha imogeta kamatemina na ki soke nchira guchia like you are a failure a failure
kina ngoko bo mono sana
no na abu abange bonsipi it is that
okwiroka ngakona ngochiko kwanu ngane naso agate
na se nde na irani namba tubono obugata already obugata abana onyakweboli ngana ki ama ena abana aba ngai ngocha kobaira. Number 3, by the time you are in that situation, maybe financially you don't have the muscles. No mambi etuaniki abokira ko matebinga rero no ene kebiriti ntobugati yani ngabono no ene chisiringi sano tokabugati you have to depend on someone unaona. So ayonsi people no konyora alafu remember this same person ama tukona arago konyoringa gogosoka kuruga ondete yo guchiko kurigereri kabere ago gotebia na kwambia tu live ngaibono you are used goods, you are damaged goods, they always have to remind you. Ngabona yabone so chiro yao teyo musacha soka uchisika musacha kyo chigo no ogo kwani nga aena kibono So, you know, already remember nga omontoyo, they have done everything to take away your self-esteem. Self-esteem teyo. You go no, nga they are the only evil you can stay with. No. So already you feel like you're caged there. But the moment you make that move, actually it is just making the move. Like soccer, take a jump. That leap of faith. Take a jump. Wacharo kireke. Ikono ndoche timbu negeti. So why would you go back?
Nara kuhuliga. Umetekera abantu bakwetire bintu biga. Bantu bari bakulika bange sana. Bantu bari bakulika maswa, bakulika chi online, ngega bantu bakulika chi message abange bagataba bote bichane ngabuneyo. So ngena boli abantu nabulinga ki muchana noro abali mwagambe nabarabo. Abandi bateba abandi batembaraga. But which other support system were or ana ba minu kwa batebiri. Your brothers imbara aware. Yeturuko abana bayiboli. Did you talk to your brothers mbalenga aware gose go barabake? Kero meta mumura mino barabumba yetenga ba mito yudiru ngogasambira kuguru. Ade nkwa gambira baraba number 2. Did you nkwenda mwalenke kanisa? Abasimo kwende kanisa bantu mbayo moko boranga ki moyela nara igamo ki omuntu muchando nora. Erinde liri mwanya walenga anye tingo twara bali mu bate bibole senga chena arotenga kandi bwende skuru nganga ebigoroke no mu mintu naro go manya tenga mintu akimundu onerega era chitese itega mono egera oneka rumuntu akwego na banani bale bamwa bakumenya umuntu ara guchote na mwinari rokene barabumba tabenga ki mu rararia gose asikiro kino muntu gusa asima bantu bamaitenga bamuntu muswati na guchotera yimu number 14 magana naru muchandali. I got support system from other quarters apart from the parents.
Oh, no, of course, the support system was there. My brothers have always been my support system. In fact, the very first time, like I told my brother, Omanenenga, Ongakire, he was even ready to come for me. Nere nanyu omete, but he's not violent. They're just like my dad. So from my side of the family, even my aunts, yani wasipati watata, they were a support system. They were ready no ko chabambo goli banta binga ya ke muntu talira smoku erega. So the support system was there. But serobi kanisero karanye tiga. Asenyu ome kanisero karanye tiga. Because when it comes to church, the church was there. Nabako ande kanisa. For example, Mauricia. Mauricia kwa matebinga. So, do you know what happens? Mostly, when enyuomo is going this way, society and mostly the church, they believing almost vati is the reason. In fact, ebagutumia mbake Bible verse nere eregosenganga. Anda abwe se Biblia gotebanga omusubati na rokorosia nyuomo na mago kabiri lakini bono na maene enyuomo ngotemore konyorosi enyuomo okari gotema korosi omonto yote ogotema korosi nere tararara nyomba for the last 3 days to metinga yale I believe in enyuomo it has to take effort from 2 people. Unaona abana goti gotebi omolisi we kanisa era gose modori kasionde ogotebi nga kibabe nyuma no koremereria gendo nya kumusabira nyore gwakure sorobi because like it is not practical. It is sometimes the church does not offer practical solutions to breaking marriages. Wewe unaambiwa enda vumilia genda kanya kumusabira. You know, that is not practical.
Yuminatinga na ane kanisa tabanda basakalanga linga ekero monta batabana watu muchando abantu batemekonya tegarra byamono.
Yeah, they
basoye ko bolinga beyond kumusabira ngikindi kera akuru kiagara. Egera abantu bane mbara abange bakando muri omwa muchuna yakwata ngoma de mete bane bali bakorenga linga ki tata kankane tinsoka ngakenda tabengende skuru nkanga na irumo sigo mbwata abana ngayingochi mondo ate bintu byashingo bibeke full stop okiokora anda nibwo kumukia abana rutengo roime aribwo rutakwera nigo ati batimbwa atinguru choko chu explain but bona at least ngwa beto monto kateba no ente kego kerega tigante meko so agenda kwangala ntabangana ne kanisa nebenda ko bolinga ngaki otebyo mundu tumusabere ndibonta ko genda gwetani yabo omuntu yasale nasale very dangerous atate bunga saberu agusuka kuruororo igaranya gakontra kobera gaiga ushare kumia muno.
Exactly, because even if ebukwe ngotebere nga nyasaye tanche ti divorce ondete yogo sokanga igabona nsogete for yani chinga kichinke. People get married with a vision for this marriage till death do us apart. Nona. But kwa manya goikange andegati abu kwa nyora ngenyuome yebone taite guguita. Pi egoite pi egotindeke. Kwa nyora ngai na yutete kare gotema konye rosiebe lakini bono yenga buna bono emoro bugatoime oyo ma korokyo bugato gochi the south oyo nde gochi the north. So what happens? You're always there. In fact, bono storms zikikuja, the boat will just capsize with both of you there. Because you refused.
Bono gaiga sie kire aga ya bono. Ngakibona ngakitwika nogatanga aga bono.
Hai, ama ngana kabama ngeso robi. Of course, the bunana gotebi physical violence injarengo, verbal violence injarengo, financial manipulation injarengo. Ebi asarambiro tuachagite pamoja. I was like the pioneer behind it ninchenari ko manage. Omaite also marriage. If two people cannot agree, ngachibe sechi elibuye yeye mere mesana kitoko nyetumia, you cannot move. I almost such a bana come tebing elibuye yeye motwaro siriye miasabe ye tigatonye bekega okobolinga bono njo mosacha nincho gotebi mina mwena to gotumia chibesa. Yet at that moment yo come tebinga miasabe tigatogore simiti tokonyora miasaba chinde togore simiti era arengeretie bintu biaye osa ndagore chibia isato anyu na abasani. You get you are trying to tell him tigatonde gochia lakini ago kobolinga no maetenga ere no mosacha tobwera komo gambira like you cannot guide each other, you cannot agree on anything. Ne enyuomo erenga you are not agreeing even on basic things. Gento gego chakoba kenene nke yo mora nyari ko agree on no because you have to agree from finances. So you finding a bono no o esegieye mostly maybe ekoru finances. Ebi asare bi mocha gete nayo ko bi manager no are gasi ya serikali nero ka he's the one maybe was catering for other bills bono ekinga kinga bono omusaro rio e bono no na etuma etinga yogo chibono bono nayo bwene takororanga nyumba na kiegwa kanu ndagera na kiekogoro no. So you are not moving as a couple.
Ngakimoni yachitwe bono gatabono gati konyarika.
Like pain, when you put pain together, ngo konya ne kabati. Okonya kobeka pain ese kabati eyu kwanye siekera. One day kabati terigo siega kayani bono nga nga no ne briefcase yeli kwa na nere sabali. Bono ya ichoire it cannot haiwezi fungika tena. So actually after the Chaco incident that burnt my leg,
there
was an issue. Alafu akampush. I hit the wall. I think I lost consciousness for some few minutes. Echikonere abekire yare go boil some stuff in the kitchen. When I think I was pretending. That is according to the house girl I had then. Agakaganga bonongo pretend na arengenga na faintiri. akaenda akareta rikara rire muriro akabikirira ase okuguru rochi. So by the time nkoboka there's a engoro rochi, engoro yasoire kwaire misikorio akire okurire rochi. So that is how it happened. So I think after that, of course I left I think a week later. Yani something in me just gave up. Yani na target anything. But one, at that point, I had actually 2 options. Na target nkoreki. Like ingende, I disappear from the face of the earth. No. Because one month wakire, okupushiria say, well, I would have died anyway. So I was like, I say, kire bono iga, it is either inchebwe kwa manyene ngerusi. Because I remember one day there was an M-Pesa, there was a chemist. Nkaboka tinchietie gas. In fact, nkaboka nkaline gali nkaenda etown Bosongo. Ase na ikaiga ese Malboro changi keliga nkararanga chikali chia Nakuru nkobanga chikali. Sijui Nakuru, sijui 500 bana chialenga se 300 whichever. Ngaso gali ya Nakuru, I don't know where I was going. So I just got into a matatu that was going to Nakuru.
Aiweka.
Nchobieka. Ngaso gali ya. At this moment yena ringe nga ingse kobogori abana abanga ngotarande nabo. You know, nilikuwa nimefika like I was at my peak. Ngaso gali nkaenda Nakuru. Una naika Nakuru uga, in fact on the other side nkarre kwerende likire ngakose kiango guest house. Nikavuka barabara nikaenda to the other side. Nkanyoranga ki.
So guest house chimi?
Yani ni kama ni club, ni ka restaurant, ni kanini, you know, these hotels that double as a hotel, a restaurant, like nini. Nikasema ntarakwa tikangende ndababuli kusemba bwate ndagire. So I crossed over to the other side, nikaenda nikauliza huyo madam ndagira kimobwate.
Wait a minute, rasa wendagera kuru wanga chakete Bosongo baka Nakuru. Turakiro ndo wesi nyuma tabe nganga yuko.
Esi mindi beti. No, my phone is off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uzuru kukwana nonde bwensi. Eka ndayo kamera iranirani.
Nchebana chibesa, in fact bana abwe bari gusangirira chibesa egali etarasoka. Mbara gwakanire fair. Aya bana genda make ese gali gugutigera omwali abo no ngoikira. Norochi. Ora soju koragira. Ukarari ndagera nira bukagendo. Nkaenda ngateba no ntarakwa. Nkagoro mete mpaka no ne kwerende ngagose nkaenda ase narengetete nkabatebi naki chimbeba chianchandire takonge kwerende yo guchikuita chimbeba. Kanga chisache tibire. Nkaenda. Lakini bana ngateba
ntaragenda. Bana ngembebe Nakuru tukoyitira.
No ntete konyeitira Nakuru.
Ozo tora era igote. Emanya gukwa. Nkaenda ngasabe ndagira sorobi. Nkabatebi ntete nakumbuka nilikulanga mbuzi choma ekire ngima. Kaleta nobo kima nkaragira. Ande gutia kona muinali nabondo chabantu bakonya konyubale. All these years I have never taken alcohol sorobi. Nane kuiwa alcohol na kiego test. Lakini nabonka igwete nga wine na kwanga sukari. You know these things even if you don't take them. Mshana ngonya kutarere gora.
Ngano na abantu batari kunywa maru. Turi kuigunga taba bare nga maru na maruru. And if maybe they have never tested. Kabori musbati yo wine kyo bwatondetera. Akandetera wine. Kachaka kunywa wine. Ai agantaka na boga kwanza iga. Keras. Bono nje ngari kunyubune soda. Tinkali konyubuna ngora. Nkanyu. Ai.
Akino bororo ne katrasa ke akino bororo. Yo kwa ngonyi mna wangu
Jawara kale konyi muna fanta.
Nyanja manja tigarara mochi abu. Okay. Bakakuminga ki emono ya chira.
Na
Moyo ko ndaro jenge mono nera kale ko titiri binta.
Hey. Bona nchagete ko ihunga ngakinkari ko iuga. Nande bona nkara murangiri ngamutebi naki na bondo chinga mubwate chinyomba chokorara. Irenga. Ribwe mubona yarenge. Ngamutebi intete korati muka. Bona am like mbara nimbwate bifaa byane. Ngende. Akangana machi yokonyo nkaenda. Ngaka na nkarara. Inkarara soro bigingo chakoboka. Yarenge gosengo mambi yae gosensa mbiri saa 3 nkaigwete nga ekwerendede bwenete gosibigu.
Obe opalgo goturanga boka customer jita chaitire.
Kwerende bwenete chechigu. Eru mwete ebwenete chechigu.
Ribona eri kwaragerete mbusi eri yago gakora. Kama gasoma korogo yondo kwa nywete bune ku pambucho. Ngendo kawo.
Kaenda nkagu. Nakinko boka. Nkamutebi indega iga for 3 days. Nyinyi hata musi nini. Monya gukumi. Kara agenda kuchiabu. Kagenda. Bona nande karansa ngateba nga by the way. You know my mom when she was alive she would call me even 3 times a day. Ngateba mongino yo. Korugoro taka ngakiritie simi mbaka okumiri. Ngayo mwana yale. So nikasema let me just ingokie simi. Ngakere my mom akabwate simi. Akachaka ukwana na ngorarinde buya igo. My mom was I think she would have made a good therapist. Gakomboli maadhenga yore. Kamatebi mbiyande.
Koroka maadhe senga njoro kwitira mamu mwao.
We call each other that way. Kamatebi mbiyande. Asende nturiete. Kagontebi nga naigure nga ekwasoge togakoraki ogatiga abana si I left without the children. Nkamutebi nabatigete lakini mbara nabo bali na tato mwabo. Bono kagontebi gakyo mwana ono tararengererigo. Onye gento nkere kwarengereiri. Utararengererigo gekora. Nkware gokora ki? Orine gari oche Nairobi. You know they have lived in Rongai for so long. Nikamwambia chishughuli nchire mkate igaki ngokora nitakuja wewe usijali. So tukaongea ile you know some other stories nini tukakora nikakaa hapo ngaikaransa inse.
Tona materenga no bwate plan yembeba.
Tinda matebi ni bwate plan yembeba. Bona ande ngaraikaransa inse ngachaka kwebori embebe yenda ndanyeita. Igobona nkinakonya. Kenenge yo nakonyire. In fact yo monto akarana hitire omonto gochandika in all this nandore innocent mama tata abana baminto abana bane and they are innocent in all this. Manyanga bono I am going to make so many innocent people suffer because of omonto yomo who doesn't care. I was like faggot. Chikwerende tini in fact ngachirutachi dustbin yeyu mabu. Ngabwata ngande stage ngaline gari nganda Rongai.
Kuna kuru. Kule gari kuchikwerende.
Kuja Nairobi sasa.
Igesi miria mamumi no yakarata mangana.
So naka.
Si miria mamumi no yakarata mangana.
Ngateba nga like in all this ogo chakoi karansa kwa rengereringa omonto gatete okorege kone no omonto gochandire. So nkyo bono no mboro bwenete gweitera omonto bwanchete like ngabono oyo mama abaibi aba batete kumubekanse bono imbwenete kubarwani talibo kora akugo kubarwani. This was you were fighting for someone that you loved. But why inkibono ntete gweitera omonto onchandire narabukire nagotire. In fact by the time nare korwororo kwari gukagang'ana akang'ina gakari korua echiro unaona. So I was like and you know that was it Sorobi, like I closed that chapter. Abana in fact ibatumetubuna
Katochi nilikuwa jina waje tachi tuira na ndio ndio.
Sikwenda kurudi. Hivyo.
Tangu kuri nanga mai gasindeni. Nenya aleka nanga karokende okobo omwana oyo mubwe kumunyaruka. Karokende gokwarenge otabwate exposure karokende okanyara kwa mondo take advantage. Do you think that there was some gaps ukina kwao? Egero no muntu wanje tumutangani igo wona yatuka manyiti nganga kya abantu bakare kero ine are gwanjite nengoro yawe yonse omokole ne bono kurwabu ne yentungire kwamba korra kurunga kero kinde nyandiri nyora nkyugo piki kurugabo ya you are the only daughter and I thank God nga mamu mino na omuntu lenge mukanyeku egere simiye mamu ne chinjite kiregenta muri woiga simbe boko kwana narara ngabone kipide kiasaliki. Egere simelia mamu mino ya chinjite kiara onye ndirio onyorwa kugamana mamu mino kangana boko akorita mangana mako egera abantu abange toko somi bipindi ngekiramba guti bintu bina bakora monde ko tangana bana ikibuga ga atebana njiti ko reverse ogenda lyoka ayigende kiriwe to katetana rake egera yanga chakaba mamu mino gari ngo mutindi ngwe nje kumwakira si kozoju kumwakira akorente mbio bono lero yashaka kurutana michingorimi gari ngo muntu mukanyeko.
Yeah, she was very, very, very calm. Bueno, kero nasoire ese nyuomo obete okay, being an only daughter, an only child, really not really. Neringa totebenga maybe konye I had not experienced other men, or other love. No. Engaged maybe other inchabono konaranga. This is how my dad and my mom live. Mimi I believe dinga homes are peaceful kerase abantu na babwene to komenya bujaiga ngae na chire gasi inki mutabwati nyomba aya inki ngo baretera you know. But now
oiranga kero muntu abumujuka lewo
kero muntu nabokale
and in fact another America make argument nga sometimes simichiri abiboli bale buya abana babakana bamba kuwa sara ko egera barabumba manyetinga kero kene mechine abantu bakali kubeke enchoko bosimi
engingo siekerwe ekale obosime gekeururuka igo amangana asariki osengo ko yata chino
abana bali bakuri mechie mekongo abantu bakoyoga nechimbande sika abandi babaenda batenganye nabo yerega ndali jetingo takamwana ubanda cyo cyandika
nyingo the way
sometimes ndirego me probably ne topic ene yiri tukondo cyazo ko wolinga njira kitobanda go expose abana na borara tole biyaga gatali mechio sire boygo yendo kire to kala yaga twamenya biyaga but mun kungina likwale ngo tabanga ayeto batabanga nesinga kwa lengo umwana munyaruka yebwe kayaya
no
totabanga ayakaro kene nesinga ncho yakuwere tenga uyo ne rokoro kyo bwanchani endo gerenga na barara chiko bamuna chataka ko
and then bono buna natebanga from the beginning yani nabarengo muntu in fact no nae yani he's just a level headed human being no nae monyora nenere mukwane nini yani no muntu
sharp muntu liviye mukugamba
sharp no muntu ochiete school tali muntu tachi omuntu akara ochiete medical school tali muntu ochiete school no muntu ochiete school buyeiga. But one later ngata realizing oyo no muntu suffering from also family trauma. Tato mwabo ni galengo muntu buyesege bwe mioro. Noroche. Yani ngabono akinete in an environment that is a little bit patriarchal, yani eirete meringa no ekero no ena basacha bali babere iga no musabati alega iga you are not supposed to contribute. Like a woman does not have any say in any matter. Noroche. Yani no akinerete in that environment. No ene chianko chia the extended family. They are always fighting. No ene oboko tuobu. Kware konyoranga. Auntie ya achire kokongonta mwane nga kingi gorere nkoreki. Ndare. Na aseligu. Oyo no musubati obwata abana basokire. Like mako byara. You
kile
get?
ndio ndio kwamba kuna kile ase family bona kikanya.
Bona kero kwa chiro ndio unaanza kuunderstand this is some family rooted. Like the violence is so family rooted. Unaona? So like something has to come to break this generational. Iyo sababu sasa abuna nchengate abangise ko gendera ko beraga iga na bana bambwate maybe they will pick this. You know, children pick.
Bona kwarure gwachire rongai. Ukaenda saba iboli.
Kaira na saba iboli. Ngasoe skuru.
Catholic University.
No, they knew. They didn't even ask. In fact, they were... No, I didn't tell them. I didn't tell them. But somehow they came to know, like, karibu. Yeah. Yeah, baka ngarigani buya. Nkabera, like... Abana them abakuka sana. Abana bakacha. Bono, in fact, my parents were my therapists. Unaona? Gentongeli kiyama na kobera in an environment where abaiboli bao, they are not asking you questions. Go sembali konyango guilt trip. Unaona? Yani they have accepted. In fact, mba tagete konya komboling amangana mange. They are like, just welcome home. Do you want to go back to school? Yes. Nkaira na school for a degree. Ngakore degree you for 2.5 years, Catholic University. In fact, I was doing like 8-9 units instead of 7. Kanyakora bwango ngakora. Ngachanganyora akarasi, of course I know.
Finance what?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I came back to do accounting. So, manya CPA nero kwenye na chakire nero ya linge katikati. So, like I was doing things parallel. CPA lina tikete nchira pona, I have to finish. Biko mweye, I have to finish. Ngakora. Nganyora kagasi. In fact, my dad told me, before obongo na ande bo chake korast, enroll for an MBA. I'll pay. So actually, my dad paid for my MBA fully, though sijaimaliza. But I'll finish for the sake of, I'll finish it. So, nkara kore gasi, I came and quit work. So, ndio nikaingia the world of business. And still they blessed me. They told me, linda rionsi korukale na bobu gato kopoko kwe biashara. Yeah, just get in and do business.
Ndio swali wala mangani biashara. Kwana ngoro ya mkikilira ocho ora somya bandiskali kera abayiboli bawe diba kera meta sinale missionary basote banga bachandite kera bagusikwira na so uba tumuchana so bosina banda abayiboli bokana boyiro gatinga tete bengo mwana nyagete tachiti aso akagajitaga chale 5 months abane mbale bono gwakora ko bo bayigoro yao bono gwasoko no bo bangencha bali bagochigo treat kwana gigore ngencha bali ba kurisiveti okuire skuru zako nyoro munda ka no somi muntu ikaseke bwato boronga chena gasometi ka fail bayiboli bagite kunya kuliri bintebi kwana ngogoro ga bune ndo kwana bayiboli bande skali ngaki tubande go treat abana baito karo kwanya ndo ibintu byangire koba ono kubaira nikana kubakonya ili ne libanyare koba go pick life.
So nimeta bayiboli mbale bantegererete egento abayiboli babwenete komanya this age no eni nchebono igano moibori already teenagers abana bakorire form 4. So sometimes abana ngocha bale ba make decisions bakaganga bono this decision that I've made at this point is the right decision for me. Omwana omunyoka ne decision yeyu onyoro wakire enyasi agendere ko base enyasi yeyu tanyora monto ko mutebinga yaya. You can always make an about turn, you know, it will end worse. So, and by the time omwano akoirana, it takes a lot of imagine buna chenare korangeri unga irana. Still I couldn't. You get? Until like I could not have it anymore. But still I had parents bari konya kontebiga kyonye ya irana. But manyabono ngawe no mwana nkwanya ko mutebirana, but one day oamuire nga nkoiranare. Do you know the amount of courage it has taken someone gotiga enyuomo? It takes a lot of courage. keroye ikire at that point this person has had enough and they don't have space to have any more. In fact keroye ikire at this point if omonto oyo tari gocha konyora abantu bakomo receive buya, whether friends onye family yangire, whether friends some other relatives, that is where konyora omonto akwamua ribaga ngotiga abana bachandegete tigatogende nabo. So why would we let that to happen? Actually, if you receive us back, no bwanchani ngaya abeire, you can always start afresh. You know, mimi I believe in fresh starts. You know, you can always start nchana changa timbogoriti na batebeti nabo korangeri kenyoroba koso mochisambe, but there is always a fresh start. Yeah, can always start.
Kwana ngoro yibiasara bono ngagochagete kupike biasara biganye roni kwa bugoreti abebori bakwigorete bika wachagete wabago kwa bire school bakwire school wakore degree kwa register masters wachakire biasara ubwata abana timati ko sibaro no ora saba ibori gosoko kwa yiri akanyomba ka wochi komenya biasara biko ganetia.
So actually nembu nare gokore gasi. So in Embu now ni rio mochere. You know, I used to sell a lot of rice. Yeah, abana, they were in boarding school by then.
Okay.
Abana ilibidi hadi they had to go to boarding school as young as class 3. Kiagera ye igetase, wono. Abana okubaire school wa ise na era uchoba ora barusi. Wono nkamatebi ngaki ese ikeire abana tigabaende to a boarding school because sasa hiyo like supremacy was na abana. You know, sazingiro musacha keraro riringa bono tuliko amaene tuliko irana omwako erire emyaka ebere ya erire tato ya erire aguchaka gutumia abana ona abana is the battleground wacha kwanya oranga lina abana bakabagoiri bairiru gosengai. So anyway, let's leave it at that. So Embu, as I was working in Embu naoni rio mochere, so ngatika kwa nio mochere I have always been reading a lot, so na so miri ngonya kwena na obo reviews iga online nganyora bante bakonya kombolinga ebitabu nga yokogora. How can we get the books? Ngateba nga inkinda abatebeli nga imokogora ebitabu, why can I not source the books nchake ko baoneli unaona. So I started sourcing books like that. Maybe Sorobi Nabara and telling I want 48 laws of power. Ngenda ndigereri igalire ngabakoni 3500. Mbakere simimba boli ekitabu ekinonge na 30% discount. Like, can you sell it to me at a wholesale price? Nchengo neri Sorobi 3500. Onye neaga profit kami atano gakoreki. Ibaki, you know, that is like how I started pitching, like some drop shipping in a way, but with books. Ngachaka konigo. So I was even sourcing locally from other bookshops na and anabatevi. Can you sell me like, for example, 50 books at what discount? No, so they give me naoni. The next time I go 100 books hivo. It grew until sasa ikafika mahali I can source for my own books. In fact, the first time I imported my own books, I only spent around 450,000. Yeah. I got consignment. I was like, so I can do it. Baka ikabono, I can even import ebitabu no maybe 2 million. Or ni you ask for others, Evo. Yeah, Kenyans read. Trust me. I also used to think that we have a small section of Kenyans that read, but mbali baange but wako, and they read a lot.
No, what a specific genre of books you're on?
We sell all genres of books, from biographies, autobiographies, memoirs, business books, finance books, fiction. Yani ebitabu beyond CP. We sell all types of books. Pakachi Biblia anko nitori. There's nothing we don't sell when it comes to books.
One or two things was
patience. Number one, patience. Biashara, they need a lot of patience. You will start it and in a month you are like, yeah. Maybe you expected maybe to make $1 million. You had given yourself a timeline. in the first 6 months intagetenge biashara ibinanyorire 1 million. But you see, that is the thought. But kwa ground, you'll make maybe even 50,000. So you'll have to be patient with it. Be patient and then let a consistency ndani yake.
Otaraga na consistency. Ebi yago na bokwa bete patient matukangana ngakyo mwasakara at least gentonge.
I was patient for a whole year.
Kende getali.
I was like bono. Ganto gake to push me for tomorrow. Akulenda akwaga ke ngabono. Akwaga ke. So yani bono mpaka bia you have to be patient. Yani mpaka biashara biche bike ngabono gake biashara ebingorere gari. You have been patient. You have been patient with it. Hadi hiyo biashara iamue leo, let us reward you with a car. You know, it is not just a one day thing. Ngabone biashara ibirero ko bolinko bikora ari akagure gari na nche ntaite ko bichaka rero. Next month ne Mercedes ntaite ko gora. It does not happen like that. It will even take you 5 years or even longer or even shorter. But at least the aspect of patience has to be there. And then consistency. You have to always speak incheke muntu ne bitabu nkoni. Kama ni page umefungua, these online pages, you have to post every day. Whether people are seeing or not seeing. Unaona? You have to put in the work consistently. And then of course to crown it all, nyasaye go ikomotanga ni moto mna kwabo kamambi. You have to keep, speaking positivity into this business, positivity into yourself. When I was running it alone. Like I am the manager, I am the marketer, I am the attendant, I am the delivery person. Until right now, I have 3 attendants, that are at the shops. I have delivery persons that do delivery things. I have someone who handles maybe the small marketing. Unaona? So mpaka biashara ikuje kukua now you can delegate. You must have been patient and consistent with it. At Kerobigo Chaka, it has to be you, everything.
Kanango hivi biashara bako chukua ibeka. Ngiantu bako nyabitawia.
Etore gali Nairobi, CBD, Ronald Ngala Street, opposite stage ya Moina, ose next to Naivas Supermarket, a building yeko ku Royal Palm. Royal Palm na se Taskis Magic Yaringe kare. Tore wing A, 3rd floor, AS22 na AS47. We have expanded now. We have 2 shops like opposite. AS22 on this side. AS22. Yeah. Na AS47. Lakini onye goikire AS47 utaona tu AS22. Kwa sonye goika AS22 ritangani na wako tabi AS47 yeyu on the other side.
Okay. Umuntu onesho kanete gatabu onde kingo cyanya kubati bintu bintu kweta ni gatabu. Ndine ko anyoro bata na nechitaya. Ndina roji ndo bate pambu ko siara amache. Iyo minute ngo monta iso wekaragana bako jande bintu bitani tie gatabu.
Exactly. Inchebono metena achitengaika in a point rero sorobi nombolinga nkoni kemunton nkoni ore ndege. Nginda ko taberiti nkoni ndege. So I will start researching how do people acquire ndege ko tebinga sorobi nchuko chia ndege yeye to anyolire se akoni kumuina. You have to find a way. Like in this Nairobi, monto naona Nairobi bana go montako boli na ki. Nonyo alero boli mo Kwale go chi Mombasa na to menye tio. You're not going to say no. You will tell the person no, you wait, I'll tell you tomorrow. Whatever. No, you don't just say yanga.
Watago wa boli boli mo na yoro ngitoko banyo.
Na were igo. Yani ngana no boli mo bunkwanya koni. Kwani abantu mbale
ngombe inde
for example buna nchebona
batika ndira chiro kumingelinga na haro ringe njoko korumuki by then ndiko raro kora beka chibitinde Facebook wetu gete ibintu kuruge komba.
Yeah, I go to the komba. Yes,
njiko chwo kuruge komba
mtumba. I sell thrift, premium thrift. Nkwenda gikomba nkoboka mbegete chibuti yani bona e camera aba tigatatewe ngabane camera
ukana ko bolege ndikidike gima
yabona gikomba cyanga ko igorukire chibe. So you have to for no energy boots, whether shoes, whether bunene yagikomba by the way noroche ora kagene ataki but ne yagikomba. So you have to wake up in the morning, rebels chiko igoru none nebuno mokungu sitengo yani uwezi regarega hivi by the way ukiregarega na bako okuboka Gikomba saa 11 chicha mambi na utoke bila kitu you have to be there like before 6 ndio upate mahali safi unaona so bells huwa zinafunguliwa it is a scramble ndio chibuna basongo bale go scramble for Africa that is how people scramble for premium stuff Gikomba ebeli yagoiru akajacket nabo montawo kugura na ankali kwa watch already and there is nothing you can do you know it is about the oriore ne chinguru na roko wins so yeah I also go to Gikomba to pick mtumba stuffs na vone vinte bimbegete bionsipi they are thrift yeah
they're looking nice
yeah exactly
okay go to take you
yeah tiny leather thrift Gikomba kile ntombegete is just thrift from Gikomba
lakini uko tache na bone gutuga wa
ai okwenda alibona obogore chibuti che plastic chiguika ogo tachanga ka kerota ete chibesa sorobi goiko chirigi nchi gokorigia
na kibiasa bibye kwa mitumbi kibiroje
it is good you just have to position yourself and then you know how to do the pricing and then maybe you get mostly from Tush oiso konyoraga duka kare people can pass na bono ruiru wali esena abeka like abantu mbaro chingeli ne duka yani nase it is a road you know it is like an open place people can see that is a shop
na bibi kwataka people spying ndali batari bati budget etopo yingalio okobeka soko moteka
exactly chibuti chiri na bone kare gotwa irenga elibwe 1500 Uhodiro chiri nande ekine chibuti kwa golete 300 obogete saa 12 wachio ni 1500 for example but bono ayo isogo kwenda go chirigi na 300 yechu trust me to go chinyora you will still come back ningotebi ne minachi golete you will not find them
omanyete bisoero
yeah because also you're waking up in the morning you know going the scramble it is a lot of it is a lot of if we were to quantify it in money terms kinege koro to bwana ta kwani na nechiribu sana I know nyare koboka go scramble sorobi it is not easy
bona yumutumba yaraka yone ngibintu byako byone yantu bagachinyora
so mtumba once in a while mtumba my mtumba currently by the way is being managed by my nanny. I have a very 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 good nanny.
Okay.
She sells on her TikTok account. We also have a small shop in Ruiru. Hata mimi saa zingine si unaonanga once in a while. Ngora advertising. Like basically people just know. Unajua kuna ile there are days I really used to advertise. Yani unaji advertise hadi yaika sebona abantu sorobi no tanya kobolinga go senko niare. No maite nko niare. Whether he is posting or not posting.
No, but we should go kunya kuirorera lioko kera ndanga bakabeka kebarosi.
Torikobeka limoros. Bono ukobeka obeke mpaka kera abantu bagukwananga sorobi. They can point you to what you do. You know, like for example today sorobi, if someone was to mention sorobi to Omontomo Gusi, ingo sorobi. You know, people can say
sugo kwabere go kunya bana kora ko nangore ya gado chikuri go kora abantu bande mbale okonyora bago kora ibintu birakini mostly abantu bari bagatanga stay yo kenengeli na kore chinchandegete ngakiokonkonya nini aye muntu muswati kwirwanereire osoke skale wataba ya bosero tingo cha kubanga tingo cha kusaberera kwana ngunga ngikilira akwane kuti asaba swati sikana na basacha na bana bamurano na abantu bale yang nga nero bieneta chano nyogota chance to kuraranchara uko balega munya gusabirira munya kuwaira abantu byaranga abantu bari ko konya
Nairobi tikangote binga chibe sanchiroro no ntitinda chinyora lakini chiri chinke nkonya konyora is assigning chibe sanchiro yani neringa konya koliyo bongaini every day Like for example, who I was last year or 2 years ago, in terms of looking for money, is not who I am right now. Unaona? So, omonto, also, first of all, you have to wake up and accept. Onye ne digiri kwa korete, kaki kara enda ngonye bekere no inse mattress.
Inyere tange tamano brio kora.
Kaki kara nye bekere inse mattress, ose irongonye kero. Era kirororo. Also, okay, which is scam. Like right now, if you go to Kamkunji, forget even about Mtumba. Onye toko nyarana neta chano. Let's even forget about Mtumba. Let us come to new stuff. There is a lot of China things in the market right now. Nandi ndizo zinauza anyway, you get. Like what Shiko is doing currently. Boka gochi Kamkunji matari. Waseboka gochi isili.
Shiko no mukole mino.
Yeah, Shiko, aujui Shiko by style.
Oh.
Yeah,
oh.
You know the way she's
yes,
bringing
you know,
a lot of TikTok.
No, no.
Yes, unaona. So like boka na wango kwerende Kamkunji abu na wango chiabo TC. There are so many wholesale shops, like they have imported items. Ebikombe chisugurie chianga nchiro bikoro tombiro. Genda kwana na ne attendant go soma nyeno moboli na ki. Do you have a WhatsApp group ya wholesale? Noroje. Wako beke group ya wholesale. They actually they are kwanza Kamkunji. Nini za wholesale ni mingi. Aivano wako sawachi suguri kichikare kwa ni retail eribu 5. Aina wako na eribu 4,000 go se 4,500. You don't even need kubogo lichi suguri echo. Oende na chio chake ko liye customer. Aitome ruchibicha. Chisuguri marangeti mbikombe koroto posti riba koko nyango post chi memes igali WhatsApp go sali Facebook aye bano ne chayo ko nyako linga rero nkibakwa na igoro ya nyarebe rero posti chisuguri mbwate nkoni esuguri eseti engima ya 14 pieces chiribusa na nkoni hawezi kosa customer akikutumia 5,000 tirimo kagochika Mkunji kao manyenye chiribunye tirane chisuguri elibwe ya maya atika ira harusi ya fare ya 200 watika ira na 800. You must calculate. Rigichi hold no ninche even books. Mimi I have a group ya wholesale. I sell to other people who are selling books. Ninawauzia bei ya wholesale for example, unaona. So mimi hiyo group my attendant ni kupost picha na barabuba post yesa bakari go post. They get a customer.
And abantu bebanga ko bajire duka ya bitabu yana nobiri. Moko kana rambo giasto no kira no kire gawo. Bona ko to jokora senga je chinsa. Ebintu bitatu bugimo bwa basomire. Yake meke ko arabelireka. Indomira waso mira wata masters. Indomira bitatu waso no wata benge kwanza PhD mbwa.
Again take tangani. Forgive yourself every day. I know it sounds absurd nini, but learn to forgive yourself every day. Keroko learn to forgive yourself every day. You don't sit down regretting like just whatever happened igoro no any igoro ikiga kore kanitengia kore teki. So forgive yourself. No. Again to kenegi akabere. Give yourself grace. Noroche, sometimes when you give yourself grace, life gets to be easier. No. Like you're a human being. Onyango tara kwarenge, you tripped and fell. Okwe bangusa. Give yourself grace. And then finally, which should have been the first thing, Nyasaye naro. That should have been the first thing. I know there are people who go through in life until they start doubting God. But Nyasaye nakorete ki naro ai saba lero no kukonya kweboli ngagakia masaba ngo chare. Have you met people who ask whether Nyasaye ngo igwara masabo? I know they are there, especially when we have gone through so many things in life, you know. Actually, you start questioning your faith. But even at that moment, tokonya go question your faith. Manyanga Nyasaye naro. Na ndena ko igwete.
Ndi yongiri ndi yoro kiri chake kugamba manaye. Rangu inegoi. Ndi yongiri ndi chake kugamba manaye. Nda icho kugosoria manaye gatenga bono. Tata getiolire. Ata geta omenye biya. Miaka yao tugutu omenye guboneke wangu. Rangu inoro.
No, baby, telling an oro. I already have a partner.
Oh.
A very loving partner.
Okay.
A very supportive partner. But rende we are doing it is a strange kind of relationship status that has not taken root. But at a long distance kind of yani ngabono menya mwao menya mwane, but we are partners. How do we call that kind of relationship?
Inengen.
You bono. Bono nere inare gotewa. It is a little stay. Inga bono tinka igwete ngakakyo obogima nchera bokare ko ngira. Tigangiche mwao rende ndarare se nilale tu kwa kifua yako kidogo hivi nisikie inapita aje. Kusema naona yani my home is open for you. Your home is open for me.
Bono ngakimukanye bangete.
It is working perfectly fine because no ndi yoko igwete ngano kabuga tasira. Ngibona ko bogoleria asire.
Bichu bya wonga kyoko bitebi. Uyu ngoyi. Ngo bangete bichu bya kyoko byara. Kwa bitebi.
Yeah, they actually like they have come to know him. Vile wamemaliza shule, you know. And you know, like my sons, I have one of the sons, Oyomanene. Him, I think, is liberal. Let's call it that way. So he was telling me, you know, there's a time naboka rango mwana ngotemari gukobori. Halafu nando ocha konya gotebinga. Please find something that can give you happiness, or if it gives you happiness, not yani sentence chitali yani chirenga chirabu, they are just hanging. Yeah, they are just hanging there. So unaona, but
kibono mugungu gamba muda baruko batebinga bono muntu yo
Onko batebinga oyo
kugamba tole komo.
No, you have to be open. You have to be open, you know. You have to be open. Of course, maybe before they would have been seeing him, but they wouldn't know what is going on because you don't. Those adult things, you just let them rest to wherever place. But now you have to allow them to see the person first, Alafu mama ya kuchaka kujijazia. You know, children are not stupid. They actually have sharp minds. So, but finally, I told them, you see, he's my partner. You know, you don't have to involve them in whatever you do in your life. You know, they are adults right now.
Oh.
Bakolri high school.
Igoko ranga na ebi asara wachagete koromoke.
Ndoroche.
Iyo okwalenge kugoto kwalenge secondary.
Secondary, yeah.
Igoko abate miaka 19 yabu.
I was around 21, 22. Because I had done the first year kwenye nara college courses, other courses. You know, kitambo after high school, the first year you don't even go to.
Computer to college.
Okora gusen computer. Osikwa chikora akora kende. Alafu bono mwako uyonde kwa menya guchaka eskuru, you know that. But rende, the good thing is you have to create boundaries because also your life does not need to stop. Ngabono nkoruga kwarenge omugango olio chiro obunekire ngabono bukimo bwoko buruta guchisiko ngabono mwisho wa ndoa si mwisho wa ichoreri guchiabo mwe.
Wato chokoro muri buri tikulia to kwa manake muntu nyakundi mwana we na bochaka na mangana alenga makong lakini omwali oye ochira gukura na mangana y'obunchoreri nabo no kolere gago at least awaseka tetakatangamya muno sana so just asinkwani kegera ibintu bire gwakwana iga gwateba na mbeyemo enda abantu bale baturigirete bona iga basira teso basete bakunyugo sana gachaye gusingi bakunyugo ikabwe yabere abantu bale batari kweyabera ikabwe yabere wikoe chingaki whatever, give yourself grace kuma watangana na bako byose bikunya kurunda banega onenaro noto chokoro muri bali tukolera twarenga mona kimuntu nyakundi gaiga nugo tulikira comment nugo tulikira like nugo beka share ago tugende tenga kero muntu go chaiga ntongera eteire negente kekara oge kwana inyara ko bage go konya inyara ko bage go tieria inyara ko bage go sumi muntu iskogari bigarenga kitaka ntumur biyonde Tane nguku masoro imutulia rastas. Bye bye. Bien.
Bien mana soro.
Ekyoge. Yetieria kende. Ekyoge go tieria ekyoge kende.